everybody. I just have a thought right now. I'd like to share with you something that I've been doing a lot lately in the class, which is the Om sound. You do notice in a lot of yoga classes, people like to Om, like a mantra, like a chanting. So to me, it's chanting is singing, and singing make you happy. And this Om sound has that deep meaning of connection. To me, that's vibration, that's frequency of the universe. And whenever I make the sound, I feel connected. Alright, so with that said, it's so simple to do. Just bring your chest relaxed, and then from the chest of your body, make the sound. You can bring your hands on the knees, bring hands on your pad, bring hands in front of your heart, and inhale. Om. And let's make that sound again. Bring hands together, inhale. Alright. I'm not a singer. Sometimes I make the sound not as long as I wish, and I would love you to do that better than me. So let's do that together a lot in every day, under stress, in anxiety, and then find your peace and calm after the Om. Alright.